Hey guys, I'm Lobelia,
I'm Ebony.
and we're gonna do the One Direction cover of Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. God.
Like, you know how they're in the French interview thing? Yeah, that one.
Yeah, I think it's called I don't know, just leave a comment if you remember what the name of it, so we've got no clue. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do the beatbox at the start, which I'm gonna fail, and at the end, Zayn Malik does it really, really fast, and I really can't do that, so I'm just gonna say it.
Okay.
So yeah, okay, wait. Okay.
1, 2, 3. And off.
Oh! Uh-oh, in West Philadelphia, born and raised on a playground is where I spend most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool now, shooting some people outside of school. Well, a couple of guys, we're up to no good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got one little fight, my mom got scared. She said, "You move with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air."
Yeah, where I fail. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll be making more videos soon, and
We'll be vlogging.
Yeah.
We make new videos every Saturday.
Yeah, maybe.
No, every Saturday.
Okay.
And random videos.
It depends.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
Random videos if we want to.
Okay.
Yeah.